welcome back. I am Dana with Dana Joe & Co., the other half of the duo that helps you create the photography business that you've always dreamed of. So, this episode, we are going to talk blogs. So, we're not talking about the whole gamut of blogs, but we're actually going to talk about the images and what you should do to them before you put them into your blog. So, we use a program called Blog Stomp. I am not an affiliate of Blog Stomp, but I've used them for the past 7 years now, and I will truly say it is the quickest, best way to crunch all of those megabytes down into an image that will load quicker, faster, and still look amazing on a desktop, cell phone, computer, iPad, Android, anything that they use to view your blog. So, without further ado, we're going to jump in. I actually have to do this for my own blog. So I thought, you know what? I'm just going to take you guys behind the scenes and show you real life what I do for our blogs. So this is an engagement session we did a couple months back. Yes, I know, a couple months. I'm just now getting the blog done, catching up. So it's real life, real behind the scenes of our business. So the first thing that you want to make sure you do is obviously pick your images. So I just drag and drop them right here into this program. Super simple and easy to work with. But once you get all the images in there, the first thing that you need to do before you stomp anything is you have to change your output. So your output is going to be where it's living on your desktop, and it's going to go in this particular folder. I highly recommend that you create a folder just for your stomped images for your blogs, so that way you can find them a lot easier. And you're going to want to change the name specific to the blog, to the session, to the wedding, whatever it is that you're blogging, whatever that image is, you need to make sure you have a name specific for it. Joe generally gives me like the SEO terms that he's looking for with what he wants the image to state. So, yeah, I'm going to show you really quick how I do that. So, right now I have my 2019 wedding stomped, the venue blogs, styled shoot. So, I'm just going to create a new folder that says engagements, create, and then inside engagement, I'm going to put new folder, and I'm going to put Kaylin in Blair. Oh, Blair. That is the session that I am doing. Alright, see how this says Buchanan 2019 weddings? So that was for a long-running blog that I was doing. So this one, I'm going to put Cathedral Rock Sedona engagement. And I'll put B and K so I know. Because I have a lot of Cathedral Rocks. Cathedral Rock. Just making very sure I spelled it right because, you know, hashtag life. Okay, I'm going to save that. There we go. So now everything is going to go into that folder, and it's going to have all of the correct SEO information that it should when you're blogging that image. So the first things first, you want to have a hero image. So that's that first image that's going to show up at the top of your blog, and then how our blog system works is that first image is what's kind of saved in the preview, like the preview thumbnail. So I already have particular settings with the amount of white I want around my border, the size that I need my image. So we'll go into detail with that on another video that talks more of like how to set up for your blog based on, you know, dimensions and things like that. That's more like website stuff. And that's all Joe. That's not me. So I'm just on the image, okay? All right, we're going to do the first one. Ready? Hey, looks like you just stomped your 500th image today. Whoop, whoop. Babe, I just stomped my 500th image today. Blog Stomp talks to me. Okay. Ooh, that's a gorgeous photo. You know what? I'm going to leave that by itself because that is just too good to be mixed with anything else. All right, so how I do a mix of my photos is I like to, I'm going to move my face. Here we go. Ooh, that's pretty. That will be an in image. But I like to pair things together. So I'm going to do, this is cute. I like to do like one far away and one close up. That's a really cute combo. And then I like to do a detail with a photo. That's cute. Let's try this one. Ooh, because she had them all cozy. Let's try this one. Oh, I like that. That's cute. It's fun. It shows their personality. I added some black and white images this blog, so I'm going to see. Normally I keep black and white with black and white. Gosh, my nose itches. I'm so sorry, guys. Oh, just ignore me. Okay, that's really cute. I like that look. So I'm going to keep that. Oh, that's cute. Her, like, walking in the meadow. Him kissing her. There we go. Oh, just kidding. That's a really cute one. Closed up and a far away. The whole goal with this, you guys, is you don't want to overthink it. Like, that is, like, the worst thing that you could do. Because then you just spend too much time with it. So you'll see I just kind of hero image by itself. Oh, these were fun when they were doing the champagne. So then I kind of see which one I like better. Do I want her mouth open? Yeah, oh yeah. And his face is priceless. We got to do that one. Whoa. That's cute. Cheers. I like that. They were such a fun couple. Well, they are a fun couple because we are shooting their wedding here in the spring. They're just so stinking cute. So really you're just going in and you're seeing what images you have. And I'll tell you one thing I try not to do is, like, if it's the same, like, that to me is just too cluttered because then both images are gorgeous and I can't decide which one I like better. So there we go. It's pretty. That by itself. And if you notice, I don't have watermarks on my images, and I do that on purpose. Gone are the days that you want your images all covered in watermarks on. Oh, that's cute. That's kind of against my rule of thumb of seeing both of those. I don't know, I really like that. One mountain's up close and one mountain's far away. I meant, like, with blur. Let's see what this looks like better. Okay, let's come down here. Stick to my rule of thumb. Not that one. I like the kissing one. That's cute. I don't know. I kind of really like that. Mix it back up. Yeah, I'm doing it. Sometimes you just got to break the rules. Oh, that's funny. That's cute. What was she doing? I have no idea. So generally an engagement session, I try to post like 14 to 30 images. It just depends on how many outfit changes they had. Depends on how many looks I'm going for when I post the blog. I like that. And sometimes I don't use all the ones that I put down here. Sometimes it's just which ones I decide to use as I'm going through it. Like, I probably won't use that one. And I might use this one because this was funny. That was the end. We, like, beat the rain. There was a horrible rainstorm coming in and she was so worried. I won't use that one. That one is too awkward. No, I'm not going to use this one. I already have the spraying one. It's cute. Let me see this. Mix it up. No. There's just something about... I like this one, but it's like too far over. I don't know. Just save it by itself. Let's try that. Like that by itself. That's cute. He was whispering the name of a vegetable in her ear, if you really want to know, in a very seductive way. It was hilarious. Can anybody guess what the vegetable was? One guess. I'm going to do all these by themselves. Cool. There we go. I didn't even time that. Alright, so you're probably not going to be able to see my... Okay, so then I check the folder that it's in. Engagements. There we go. They're all there. 1, 2, 3. Let's see, how many images was that? 26 items. So 26 items. Some images are paired up. There you go. That is how I blog stomp my images to get them ready for a blog, and how I, go through and do them really quickly. So, if you don't have Blog Stomp, download it. Super cheap. I don't think we've ever paid for it since we got it 7 years ago, and they're on Blog Stomp like version 3 now. So, they update it all the time, which is really neat. If you have any questions, comment below. And if you aren't a part of our free group that helps you build the business you've always dreamed of, come on over to the Booking Lab over on Facebook and join. I'd love to know how you prepare your images for your blog if you already do this and you feel like you have it down to a science. We're always down to learn from each other. So let me know. All right, guys. Toodles.